Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome back to the channel. Yeah, I'm already out and about with the Alfa Romeo 4C. And yes, already got my fills cup, my fill fix. You know what it is. Ambrosia of God. Anyways, time to hit the road. We're not going too far. New shop opening up in San Carlos, so we're gonna head out there. All right, we're here early. We decided not to park inside here, so we're parked out there. Got Jerry. Hello, Jerry.
I brought my phone today.
Oh, your phone? You brought your phone? I left your camera at home. Telling Jerry he should park over here.
We could have parked in here, but we wanted to leave the space to
the real supercars. We'll be there someday. Well, they got bikes here too. And walking in, Jerry and I are super early. I got a couple of Ducatis and an Aprilia. Make sure you guys follow Jerry for his photos on Instagram. Link below. We got, ooh, donuts. I should probably get to one of these rainbow sprinkle donuts before someone else does. And look, these have Fruit Loops. And like, those fans are, I guess, for flies not to be around. Damn. Oh no, like, I was actually being serious for once. Man, coffee, the Bugatti, little Fiat, a 996. I was actually thinking of getting an older Ducati again, just because they're like beasts. Like, you get on something like this with like none of the electronic like help.
It looks cool.
And it looks cool too. Yeah. The Aprilia. Thanks. Yeah. Yours is the gas savings version.
Yeah.
That is no way.
In the beginning, but then at the end it's just way more powerful.
Oh, it just kept going.
Towards the end, it started catching up. Pretty insane.
This is a pretty dope shop. Oh look, it's my supercar. My first supercar. yeah, I've just been keeping it here, guys, and I changed the color. Dude, this is inspiration for my garage.
There's an NSX.
There's one in here?
There's one here.
Oh shit.
Oh, I need to know what year
Ooh, like that, all blacked out. Really nice shot. There we are. We got some more and some more treats too. With the 992. Yeah, wow. What's that? Especiale? Stradale? Ferrari? Oh, and back there is the Lancia that we saw at town of Woodside. Damn. Here goes an F. Ooh. Which, oh, the black NSX?
Yeah, there's a car phone in there.
Oh, no
car
kidding.
phone, black over ivory.
What?
No, because my friend,
Oh.
he recently did alignment for black NSX ivory car phone, 18,000 miles.
That's okay. In the Bay Area, so.
No, literally right there.
Yeah, right. Oh, yeah, San Carlos.
San Carlos
yeah.
Auto
Yeah. So, shoot.
I'm actually wondering.
It's probably, it might be. That'd be crazy if there was two in the same area. This thing's special right here. Oh, dude, it's funny. I was looking at these two, didn't realize that there was a GT like right here. I tell you, I had a dream that I owned an old GT, like the first gen manual transmission. That'd be a nice dream. Oh shoot! Look, there's another Lancia up there.
There's another black NSX. No, just
Oh, and a Countach. Damn, this GT is so sick. GT4 and a little Fiat. You could probably fit this one into my other Fiat.
probably fit this in the bedroom.
Oh, dude. Well, with the new house, yeah. Wow. Oh, we got more donuts. Oh, look at this. Aston Martin. Got a Lancia. Damn, this is a dope picture right here. Wow. It's amazing. Got a McLaren and another Ford GT. I bet once they get these lights on, it's probably beautiful. See these. I don't know what the glass is all up along the sides, but dude, yeah, I need to get a photo of this right now. Look at that little Fiat rolling out. Oh, surprise, it's left-hand drive. Oh, that's so cool. Zonda. Oh, I love it. Look at this Ferrari. Whoa, man, that's so nice. Oop, let's focus. There we go. Now we're focusing. I think I might have mentioned it in my videos before that this is part of the reason why I really wanted a coupe 4C is for something like this, where you can actually see the engine. If you guys don't know, this 4C Spider is beautiful. I love that you can take the top off, but take the top off. Shout out to Erica. But I like the engine to be displayed at any moment so you could see. Gated manual transmission, of course. Manual transmission becoming a thing of the past. Gas-powered cars slowly becoming a thing of the past. Well, not really. Looks like we got a Triumph that pulled in. I always just call air-cooled 911s because I don't know my 911s. Anything south of 993. That'd be crazy if this is 993. Oh, actually, it's a Speedster. Oh my God. Okay. Shoot, I never seen a Speedster of this era with the top on. Jeez. Wow. Okay, that's dream car right there. Here's our friend's Huracan. Beautiful. And there he is. And I hear something else coming in. Sounds like a Ferrari. Sounds like. I didn't know what it sounds like, but there we are. Oh yeah, what a beauty. I'll try to get better lighting. I'm in the shade right now. All right. Hey, how's it going? Oh yeah. Look at this lineup. Lamborghini, Ferrari, Lamborghini, Ferrari. All right, here we go. You guys know the deal. Rainbow sprinkle. So, and it's a big one. Oh, and they got a chocolate one stuck on it. But yeah, rainbow sprinkle donut. Look at this beauty. So yeah, the order got a little messed up. If we would have had a Lamborghini there and then the Ferrari here, we would have been right in order. But hey, you cannot complain. Look how beautiful these are. And let's go check out the back. I see a Maserati coming in. I wonder if that's our friend. Blacked out. And yes, we have our first Montana plate. All the best businesses are in Montana. Is that Mia? That could have been Luigi. We got Mia coming through. Richard coming in with his he's got his Super Mario hat, and the funny thing is it's the Super Mario with the raccoon ears. That's so cool, dude. Damn. BBS wheels. V10 NSX. So sick, dude. Okay, now the lights are on in the studio. Look, we have the doors open on the Ford GT. We got the doors open on the McLaren 675. So they are looking really nice. Photo time for sure. We got another look at the Aston Martin. I have never seen one of these in person before. Crazy, look how the tail lights look on this. And then the carbon fiber on the diffuser. The green on this is really nice. Give you guys a look at the interior. Look at that, how plush that is. Carbon fiber on the pillars as well. More carbon fiber on the hood. And just a nice, stunning 007 looking mother of carbon fiber on there as well. And no, it's not a Z, but maybe Jerry knows why. Okay, so Jerry just confirmed the Z is for gelato. No, Zagato.
Gelato's good too.
Yeah, gelato is good. Let's give more of a detailed look at the Ford GT. Doors up as they should be. And look how wild this interior is. A little dark in here, but you guys can definitely see the dry carbon fiber. And look at the red on the little flippity flappies. This one's got the harness, carbon fiber back there as well. Just a stunning car onto the back. That beautiful engine with EcoBoost. Got the wing up. See if I can squeeze in back here. Give you guys a look at the tail lights, and you can see right through there the beautiful exhaust pipes with the GT logo right up top. And these are acropelvic, and what do you know? We got our second Montana plate. All the best businesses are in Montana. Going on to the McLaren, wing up, of course. Carbon fiber, beautiful tail lights. Some more carbon fiber here on the blade, and of course exposed in the chassis, like my Alfa Romeo, except this is more of a dry look. And look at all that micro suede, the Alcantara, the matching color on the bezel, and even on your buttons in the center console as well. Look at the Lancia again. Give you a look in the light. We got Michael's Gallardo finally out, finally get to see it. And the man is right there. This is like Mobus, Marino's. He has some of the Kevlar, the carbon Kevlar that Marino has on his car as well. Look at this, we got Doggo RS3. Look at this. How's it going, guys? Oh man, look at that. All right, I gotta show this to my friend who has one as well. This is all carbon fiber RS3. Got Rob.
What's up?
Hello.
How y'all doing?
Good, how are you? Alejandro. Alex, good to see you. Nice shirt. I think there's one inside.
Say hi.
Who's this, Fox, you said?
Yeah.
Hey, Fox. How are you? It's probably a little bit of donut there. And Giants fan, too. I like that. Huracan. Oh, that's a nice plate. Oh, I got Dino coming in as well. I think we're going to have to back up, buddy. This is so true. California, my first supercar. Maserati. M2. Rolling in. Oh my god, look at this. La Ferrari 911. Hello. Man, this La Ferrari definitely has to go inside. And then there's McLaren as well. We still got our buddy here. The light is better on this side. Oh yeah. Good lord.
Yellow, what is it?
That, yes. Jerry's NSX, the world famous Jerry. La Ferrari. I don't know why I'm saying it like that. And we also have a nice green Lotus. Of course, we saw this beautiful McLaren pulling in right next to another McLaren. A Ferrari over there. Nice M2. Oh, perfect. Alright, they're gonna go move in to the shop. Added to the front with all the Ferraris and Lamborghinis that we saw when we first got here. And man, that thing is beautiful. Look at that. Blue carbon fiber. Oh dude, yeah, look, it's just sitting there, just gravel. Oh, it's too bad. We got some other cars that came in while we were inside, including this. I really like this. All white, black, carbon fiber, chrome wheels, super sick. Really like this. And look at that, got the electronic plate of the McLaren. This is our friend's McLaren, and the color, I'll say it again, it's just flat out called Pacific. Not Pacific blue, not Pacific green, it's Pacific. Specifically Pacific. Got some blue, and this McLaren here as well. And one back here that we didn't notice before. Spider. Wow, okay, shout out to Hungry Hungry Garage, our friend Erica. Hopefully she's somewhere with her top off. We have this Spider. Really beautiful. Really loving that. Got Frozenberry in the wagon, Taycan. We got the Martini Porsche. Actually, this belongs to a shop, I think. A Ferrari GT3, I believe. GT4. Nice Subaru. Gold wheels is the way to go. Yep, liking this. And yeah, student driver. Damn, actually the last time I saw his Porsche, it was not like this at all. So that's looking really good. Heck yeah. Loving that. Okay, hopefully hopefully the owner knows that this is popped open and oh wait, the light's turned off, so maybe it's all good, but like I said, not quite hungry blue, but still nice. Yeah. Enric's McLaren. Ferrari. This beautiful Gallardo. We're gonna look at this more in detail in the future. Michael, good to see you, man. They got an Abarth coming through.
Ferrari edition?
No, it's not. That thing sounds good. Oh, hey. Got a foosball. Whoops. Sorry. Hi there. Hey. All right. As we walk by the Aventador, we got to check out the wagon. Look at that. Got some beer. Yeah, Sam's 48. So I'm assuming this must be a 1949. Joking, of course. Woo. Got a couple of cars. Oh, see ya. A couple of cars moving out, I think, so that Mia can go. All right, so right across the street, a couple more cars that weren't here earlier. This beautiful Gallardo. Looks like he's blocking someone's driveway. Hopefully there's no trouble because of that. Oh, and also there's a couple lowrider bikes there as well. We got the first gen Elise. That's nice. Oh shoot, I think this is Michael's old GT4. Pretty sure that's his old GT4. Oh, McLaren, don't worry. That's just the tires making that sound.
The struggle is real.
Ferrari coming through. Right next to the other Ferrari, the Japanese Ferrari. Yeah, that is beautiful. Oh, oh yeah.
It'll look good on blue.
That looks good. Oh yeah, you're good. Woo. Oh yeah. Oh, that's nice. Ooh, coming in high. Oh yeah. Come back. We got the Porsche right outside, and what do you know? We got our third Montana plate. You know what time it is. All the best businesses are in Montana, and we got the Abarth hanging out. All right, looks like the 992 is coming out. Well, the door's open, so maybe not. Or they're just starting it up. But, oh, LaFerrari. Yeah, I think it looks good. Wow. Wonder why it's on though. Yeah, the gold wheels are nice. Yeah, look at that. Oh man, this is beautiful. What we gotta do is go back to the Porsche experience so I could drive a 992. Because the time I went in 2019, these weren't even out, so yeah, light bar is sick on that. And also Jerry revealing his new car. Yeah, I traded the NSX. Brian wanted the NSX back. Roma. Oh, if you took a picture of this one, then the caption would say something about aroma. Really nice.
Wow, I got a shot of both of us.
LaFerrari headed out. Thing's so sick. All right.
I got one.
One Ferrari out, another Ferrari in. There we go. Oh yeah. Ferrari. Got Brian headed out.
I don't remember.
Look at that. We even got a bookshelf. Some toys. A couple Alfa Romeo. What was this? Probably like some advertisement from some magazines. Yeah. Really cool stuff. Little behind the scenes stuff. A bicycle. Koenigsegg. They said they're going to be selling Koenigsegg's here. And then that'll be like a bar, coffee bar. Little taste there. And oh yeah, the Lancia.